Hey guys, today we're doing an easy, fun fall leaf falling down kind of splattery tutorial. Don't forget to hit the bell notification to know my tutorials up. Sometimes they're sporadic. And also don't forget to check out my Patreon on Thursdays. I have exclusive tutorials over there. So let's get started. If you have any questions, also leave them in the comment section. Okay, for this tutorial I'm going to be using a piece of Arches 100% cotton cold pressed paper, 7 by 10 inch. I have my paints over here, my palette. I mixed up some colors already. My water jars, paper towel. I'm going to be using some metallic paints to splatter later that I showed you that I had a while ago. So we're just going to be doing some super easy, like just loose branches and, you know, fall foliage kind of colors. So I'm just going to get this wet with a really big fat brush. Just going to get this wet. And, oops. And then we're just going to drop in some color. I have a Princeton Neptune number 6 brush. I'm just going to drop in some of these. Just mix up some yellows or some oranges, whatever. Just some pale colors. And just going to drop them in like this. Really simple, just throwing it around. An orange, not too much, just a little bit of color, not too much, just a little bit of color. Then we can do some like twiggy kind of branches, just really loose like that. I'm gonna take some brown up here. See, I'm just taking this brush and going up and down. Okay. Now I'm just going to let this color dry. Just this pale craziness going on here. I'm going to let this dry with my hairdryer, and then I'll come back. Okay, now that that's dry, we can just mix up some like dark browns. I have some Van Dyke brown here, and I have some Payne's gray. And we're just going to make some branches like I did with those drop flowers I've shown you many times, or the eucalyptus coming down. Similar. Just take some brown, just go down like that, and then the Payne's gray. Just gonna have some crisscrossing branches. And you can grab that cadmium yellow deep and some orange, mix those together. It's a lot of water in here, so I'll just take it off with my paper towel. And I'll use my pinky to hold down and just go like that. Just simple little branches coming down. Right. And then off that, we can do our leaves. And I've shown you many times in the tutorial, just make these simple leaves, just pushing down and coming back. Just like that. Oops. And then we can throw in some like real leaves if you want to also. But right now we're just doing these simple little leaf branches. And some of these. Gonna grab some more of the black and the brown. And just throw in some branches falling down. Just like that. Again, take the brown. If you want to add some pretty like colored floral foliage, I have this red here. I have the crimson mixed in with some yellow and orange. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. And you can make some colored leaves. See this reddish color branching off. Want these fallen leaves. You can go right off to the edge if you wanted to. Oh, by the way, I mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned, I put down Scotch tape on the edges. And then we can mix up some orange color, just all the fall colors, whatever colors you want. You can make a more distinctive leaf. You can make a maple leaf, another branch type leaf. There's that, oh, I can't think of the other leaves. There's maple leaf, oak leaf, yes. Sorry, my brain is tired. And that's a little too much paint. So get some bigger, wider ones. Just like that, and overlap them. Really simple and easy to do. You can add some brown color to them. Just in the day, I'm having a very long day today. By the way, I have a new amazing art tutorial up on my acrylic channel. If you want to check that out, go check that out. So we're just adding in some orange, overlapping. And then we can go back in with the brown again, and go out here. Just take the tip of your brush, see, and make these little branches off that one. Just coming down, grab some black paint on that one. Just lightly grab that. And then you could put some little ditty type flowers off these too with some leaves. You want to just have some fun with this. Yellow. See, I'm just mixing up all kinds of colors here. Yellow, that mustardy color. Just go like that. Just gonna have this fun look to it. So then we did the cranberry-ish kind of color. I got that crimson over here. And add some orange, a little bit of this brown. Let's see, I'll water it down just a bit. I just put these little red, almost like I did the cascading flower one, just down like that. And up over in here, if you want to put some maple leaves, oak leaves, I can just throw in a maple leaf. Let's see. Nice big brown maple leaf. Really loose. Get that shape. So it's like leaves and other kinds of leaves all kind of falling into each other. Could do another little one over here. Right on top of that one. Don't worry if you're going right on top. That's the whole point. It's just to go nuts. Put leaves on top of leaves, and I add a little black to that. See, we got a couple of leaves. Might want to do 3. I like to do things in 3s. Put one just kind of like peeking through on this side over here, on the top, coming down. Just like that, the shape. And then again, go ahead and add some black, Payne's gray color, or a little bit of red, because they can come red orange, a little orange. Want to brighten it up. Just have them peeking through like that. And then again, I mixed up my red again. Go down here and put some little red. I'm just taking the brush tip and I'm just going like this. You know, just adding these little, I wouldn't even know what you would call them, just mixing them up. But I just like the color, this cranberry color. Just throwing it in. Really simple. Just like that. And put some other twigs over here. The black, this Payne's gray is not cooperating. Just go down like that. Grab this orangey color, bring that down. And then we can go back and grab the yellow color. Just keep mixing it all up. See, all this crisscrossing fun. If you want to throw in a little bit of green too, you can do that. So, put a little greenery. Don't leave him out in the cold. See, I'm just putting in some greens on top of that. We get this nice loose cascading greenery. See, I'm just throwing in some greens. Now I'm missing my yellow. I'm going to remove all this color. Go back and grab some of my yellow. It's getting a little greenish yellow, huh? I'll add some orange to that. Really bright. And we can put some nice, pretty, bright yellow orange leaves here. I like them overlapping. A lot of fun. This is pretty simple and fast. See that? You could like spray it, like lift it up, the pad, and spray it and have some of the paint kind of drip down if you want. But you know me, I love to splatter, so I like the bigger the brush, the fatter the splatter. So grab some of that yellow. I'll splatter some paint around. Oops, I'm getting it all over my desk. Some red. Some of that black brown. Up over in here. Down in here. Just like that. And I've got this gold metallic paint. I think I showed you that. I had that sponsored video, Prestigify. There was this fly, Prestigify fly. These golden colored paints. Nice pans. So I like playing around with these. I'm just going to use these because it's what I have. But the gold would be nice to splatter around also. Especially on top of the darker colors. And down here, this little shimmer. Obviously, the smaller the paintbrush that I'm splattering the paint with, the smaller the splatter. That's why I did that big splatter. If you're wondering why, how do they get the big splatters? It's a bigger brush. Just a lot of fun. So let me get this beautiful overlapping leaf. And we can dry this, and we can go back and add detailed, what do you call it? Veins. I'm sorry, my brain is so tired today. And we're going to dry this and come back. Okay, now that that's dry, I'm going to go in with my brush and the darker brown and paint's gray, almost black, and you can go and put the little veins in the leaves. Even in here, a little darker orange actually. Okay, I have to start filming again. The phone rang. Never ends. So you just put these little veins in all the little leaves here. Going down. Really simple. This one, if you wanted to put like extra veins on the side like that instead of just a simple line, that would look pretty. You know, from here you tweak it. I'm kind of liking just that subtle green right there. I don't know if I want to add anything else because sometimes I feel like you might overdo it. I think I like the way it's just soft around here. Maybe a little darker tone up in here, a little more dry brush of the black, Payne's gray, just a touch, not too much. And you can see the gold a little bit. It shimmers when you lift it on the side. But I kind of like this crazy haphazard leaf thing. So now we're going to peel it up, the Scotch tape. Again, I can't speak. And see what we have. And see how easy and simple that was? Just to make a fun, loose fall leaf cascading down. Look at that. Very simple. So don't forget to check out my Patreon on Thursdays. I do exclusive tutorials over there. If you haven't signed up, it's just a place where people can, patron my channel, which I appreciate. And I have a new, like I said, the new painting up on the amazing channel is the acrylic channel. I'm trying to get more up there. It's just hard to do everything and work at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button to know my tutorial's up. Thanks so much for stopping by. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.